you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be washing and cleaning the bathroom. Cleaning and arranging my place in general have always been a way for me to distress myself. A cleaner space entirely helps reduce the feeling of anxiety. I find myself doing cleaning house chores more than I enjoy other chores like cooking, and don't get me wrong, I'm starting to embrace making my own meals, which I'm going to be showing on this channel, but that's a talk for another day. So back to cleaning. I don't like the idea of using just towel to wipe down the wall because I do my skincare routine, brush, shower here 99% of the time, and I like to use soap, detergent and sponge, and I like to be very intentional while doing this. Like, I'm very thorough and I'm just very intentional so that I can get all these things off the wall, the mirror and the likes. And for the floor, I like to use brush to scrub the tiles every corner. I like to get every corner everywhere, and it just works for me because a cleaner space gives me like more. I just feel so happy whenever my space or my toilet is clean. It just gives me this, it just puts me in this happy space, happy mood, and I love that for me. So for the floor, I just like to just scrub away, and that is all about cleaning. And I have a guest toilet which I'm going to be showing you after this, so keep on watching. This is my favorite part of the house. Like, it smells so good. I like to use this toilet more because it's usually dry, cozy, comfortable, even though it has a small space. For this part, I just like to use a towel soaked in soap water to wipe down the walls because there is no drainage system here, so it's better to use less water to clean, if you get what I'm saying. Moreover, this toilet is always clean, like always clean. It's just for a quickie, and I just clean the tiles by sweeping and mopping, and that's all. Voila. today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Catch you guys next time. Bye.